finally back to the house. The fake keys on house or whatever. I don't know what happened to James though, but he probably went back to his house probably. Or to check the whole of the universe or whatever. Well, yeah, I'm going to just head home. Since I got nothing to do right now. Probably play some, not Minecraft, but Fortnite, I guess. Even though I don't have Fortnite, I don't even know. Okay, I didn't mean to fall into that. Where is the entrance of the house? Oh, here it is. Yeah, I'm just going to since it's going to be wet outside, I'm going to just chill out, watch TV, or just go take a nap. I'm going to go take a nap. Since that little pest is sleeping, that little pest to Lightning Dude is sleeping, I'm going to go take his gem. Wait, I feel like his gem is somewhere. Oh, his gem is right here? Just wait. Since I got his gem, he didn't even notice his gem fell. Since I got his gem, I can't really do anything with it right now. Yeah. Where is... Okay, here. Okay, I need to one before he even catches me. Okay, I'm pretty far from the house. Yeah, I'm going to burn him. I'm going to burn Lightning Dude and his gem like this. Wait, let me drop his gem. Right here. I'm gonna burn his gem like that. Just like that. Okay, stop. No, I don't want no fires. Good. I don't know what happened to the gem, but okay. Wait, can I burn? I think I might do that to his house. I might. Wait, can I? Yes, I could. Oh God, I don't want no fires. No, stop. Stop. I don't want no fires. Okay, I'm just causing a mess here. Where is he? Kid, wake up. Your house is on fire. I fear your house is on fire. He's not waking up. It's all because of me. It's... well, distant and well. Well, distant and well. Yeah, I'm leaving. Yes, he, dies where he don't know where I'm at. I don't know what happened to my gem. I felt like my gem was on fire. That's why I woke up. Plus, I heard somebody yelling fire. Fire, fire, fire. And my house smells like fire right now. And yeah. What happened to my house? My vacation house. There is a villain. I was wrong about this. I knew it. I already knew it. I was wrong about this at all. I was wrong about this. Ah! Me.